This one is
Rowan, here's your present.
Paul and Declan.
Good job, Rowan. You come first.
Why'd you do your stockings first?
Okay. Stocking. Okay. Wow.
Mackenzie, sit down and do your stockings.
That's what I wanted.
Just sit on the floor and open them up.
Mama, that's what I wanted. Oh, let's look. Let's look. Oh, Daddy. Look it.
I see.
I like it door. Wow. I like it door. Oh. I like it door. Hey, look at it. I got so much done. Wow. How can you think?
Oh, look, that's a nice toothbrush.
Oh, cool.
It's a magic kit. You can learn how to do magic.
Toothbrush. Here, Rowan, this is me. Telephone. You got candy too, Rowan. Family